in India and in Nepal. Firstly, welcome.
Thank you.
Can you please give us a little insight into the importance of Shark Tank?
First of all, thank you, Himalaya TV, for calling me here. It's a pleasure, and I'm excited to be here. And congratulations to all the sharks. It's a game-changing thing which you guys have done. Now I'll tell you about Shark Tank India. This is our 5th year this year. We'll be shooting in October. 5 years back when Shark Tank India was starting, India mein, people didn't expect that Shark Tank will do anything different. People thought it's just another business show or it's just another drama or entertainment show. I think Shark Tank has played an amazing role in the entrepreneurship ecosystem in India. We were all born watching एक रोडीज करके होता था इंडिया में रोडीज स्प्लिट्सविला and all the moms and dads used to watch these saas bahu serials, right? जब Shark Tank आया ना, there were a lot of people, lot of youngsters, lot of moms who didn't know what business is, right? They didn't know what profit and loss meant. They didn't know what EBITDA meant. They didn't know what ROI meant. इतने टर्म्स हमने सिखाए इंडिया को, इतना इंडिया में जो एस्पिरेशन वैल्यू बढ़ा है. जब हम स्टार्ट कर रहे थे ना, पीपल यूज्ड टू कम टू मी एंड से कि हमें सैलरी के लिए जाना है, राइट? दैट वाज जॉब मार्केट यूज्ड टू बी हॉट. बट आफ्टर शार्क टैंक आई थिंक now people in India, all these young guys are ready to be entrepreneurs in India. It has changed how entrepreneurship was being looked at, from being negative to being positive. So Shark Tank has been an amazing thing for India. And in fact, I'll tell you, मैं अपनी story बताता हूँ. मैं जब बड़ा हो रहा था ना, मैंने Shark Tank US देखा है. बहुत Shark Tank US देखा है. और Shark Tank US देख के मेरे को लगता था किसी दिन मैं वहाँ जाके पिच करूँगा. किसी दिन मतलब क्या क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, क्या होता है. इनफैक्ट मेरे को लाइफ में जितना Shark Tank ने सिखाया ना, उतना मेरे बिजनेस स्कूल्स ने नहीं सिखाया. So Shark Tank has played an amazing role, Shark Tank US, in my journey at Boat also. And when I meet a lot of young people, in fact you guys will also see that in the next few weeks or months, there'll be a lot of young Nepalese people who will start dreaming that I will also build a venture like you guys have. They will start seeing you in them and then say that, there is a very famous dialogue I said, it's called Hum Bhi Bana Lenge in season 1. And that dialogue, Hum Bhi Bana Lenge, was so viral that people started getting inspiration ki yaar, if Aman can do it, he's also a common man like me. And if Aman can do it, so can I. So that fire is what Shark Tank ignites in the country. So I'm so happy that now, Nepal will also, have its own Shark Tank Nepal. Although I'm one side feeling यार अब इंडिया का Shark Tank कम देखेंगे नेपाल से लोग, which is not good for us, but it's good for the ecosystem as a whole.